you guys. Happy Monday, happy Veterans Day. Wanted to say thank you for your services to anyone who has served for our country, who is currently serving. Kind of wanted to chat a little bit. I feel like this past week has just been a lot with the Thousand Oaks tragedy at Borderline, which is very, very close to home. That is super, super close to where I live. And with that, and then just with the fires, with being evacuated, super grateful that we have a house to come back to. But my hearts just go out to those families who lost, you know, they lost their home. And I don't know, it's just been a very devastating week in general, and thankfully the firefighters have been able to contain the fire, but it's still burning in many areas and it's still super windy. We always see bunnies around our area, but I saw a lot of them just kind of scattered around. So I cut up some carrots the other night. There are like 3 bunnies that specifically always like to sit on our lawn at night. Left some carrots for them, but they didn't eat it. But the next day they were all gone, so I have some carrots for them that I wanted to just leave so that they could at least eat something. Let's go do that now. It's still super windy outside, so I'm hoping today to kind of get back on track with everything. I think it's good just to kind of get back into some sort of like normal routine. Carrots for the bunnies. Yeah, and the painting isn't there. Hubs and I are gonna go out to dinner. We couldn't really decide where to go. We were supposed to go to City Walk. I really wanted to go to Voodoo Donuts, but he didn't want to go all the way out to City Walk. So we're actually gonna go have some Korean barbecue. I think it's called Ace Gogi Korean barbecue. We've never been here before, so hopefully it's good. It's definitely been a while since we've had Korean barbecue. Food is ready. So this is technically our round 2 kalbi, spicy calamari, and then we have kimchi fried rice. It even comes with a little ice cream. Oh, I'm so happy. There's always room for dessert. So we're here at Bounce Boba Loft. We have some chicken wings mild. These are so good, you guys. We also have tofu mild, which are, they're spicy. That's why we have a bunch of water. Another mild tofu, and then this is minced pork with rice and an egg. This is so yummy. Maybe we'll get boba after. Maybe. Alright, you guys, happy Saturday. I'm with my mom. I'm with my mom. Let's do that again. So we are actually on our way to Irvine. We're going to my aunt's house because it is their mom's 94th birthday. So we're heading over there. We're actually at the Culver City Mall because I wanted to stop by the Elf store. This is, well, there's a closer Elf store to us, which is in, I think, Sherman Oaks, but this was on the way to Irvine. So we should probably be there a little bit, like by 4 o'clock-ish. And yeah, we had a fun time. My mom and I had a little photo sesh.
Sort of.
She sort of had fun.
Because I saw the pictures that came up.
Yeah.
They were nice.
Yeah, they turned out well, so I'm gonna see how they look when I transfer them to my phone. Mom, where are you? There's my mom. Mom, where's your outfit? Let me see your outfit of the day. Look. There we go. It's my mom's outfit of the day with her pink pearl sweater, black pants, and some booties. Nice outfit, Mom.
Thank you.
We have done back by their house. No, because we stayed with them. So, yeah. It goes all so when I asked her.
More smile.
I'm here.
One more.
That's exciting.
One last.
There's 4 players. I'm going. Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.